It is very common to sustain a back injury in an accident such as a car accident or fall, but to maximize the value of your back injury claim, there are certain keys to your case that are crucial and can make or break your case. The keys I will discuss in this video are crucial in any back injury case, no matter if you just sustained soft tissue injuries, a bulging disc, a herniated disc, a fracture or break, or whether or not you need surgery. First key, proving liability. This simply means showing that someone else's actions caused your back injury. Whether you've been in a car accident, had a slip and fall, or were involved in some other type of incident, it is up to you to prove the other party is at fault. How do you do this? The most common way to prove liability is through your own testimony. For example, if someone rear-ended you while you were stopped at a red light, your testimony can often be enough to establish that they were at fault. In other words, liability is usually easy to prove in a case like that. However, some cases can be trickier, especially if the accident wasn't as straightforward. That's why you should gather as much evidence as possible to support your claim, like photographs of the scene of the accident, witness statements, and surveillance footage. In some cases, you might even need an expert witness, like an accident reconstruction specialist, to help demonstrate exactly how the accident caused your injury. Remember, if you can't prove liability, your back injury claim won't go anywhere. So take steps to gather all of the evidence you can. Second key, get medical treatment. The second key is all about getting medical treatment, and it's crucial to the value of your back injury claim. As soon as you realize you've hurt your back, seek medical treatment. And once you've seen a doctor, continue getting treatment as long as you experience pain and as long as your doctor recommends it. Why is this so important? Medical records are one of the most important pieces of evidence in your claim. A doctor's diagnosis will confirm that your back injury is real and will establish a timeline of events. The earlier you get treated, the better your chances are of showing that your back injury is directly related to the accident. Also, be aware that back injuries can be deceptive. Conditions like herniated disc or soft tissue damage might not cause much pain at first, but can worsen over time. So even if it seems like a minor injury, get checked out by a doctor right away. Third key, get an MRI. Getting an MRI can be one of the most effective ways to increase the value of your back injury claim. An MRI can provide detailed, objective evidence of your injury and help paint a clear picture of the damage. Unlike X-rays, which primarily show bone fractures, an MRI can show injuries such as herniated disc or bulging disc, types of injuries that are very common back injuries sustained in car accidents and slip and falls. An MRI can also help prove the severity of your injury and show how it affects your daily life and ability to work. When insurance companies or juries see clear, objective evidence, they're more likely to offer a higher settlement or award a larger verdict. And just like with a neck injury, an MRI can help establish a direct connection between the accident and your injury. So getting an MRI is a powerful tool for your case. Fourth key, follow your doctor's orders. This is critical to your recovery and to the strength of your claim. Whether it's taking medications, doing physical therapy, and making all your appointments, or avoiding certain activities, stick to your doctor's advice. If you don't follow through with your doctor's recommendations, the insurance company or the defendant's legal team could argue that your injury isn't as serious as you claim, or that you're not making a full effort to recover. This can seriously hurt the value of your claim. And don't forget, insurance companies will be on the lookout for any signs that you're not following your doctor's orders. They might even check your social media or hire investigators to track your activities. So it's a good idea to stay off social media while your claim is ongoing. Fifth key, insurance or sufficient financial resources. The last key is having access to insurance or sufficient financial resources to back your claim. Here's why this matters. If the at-fault party doesn't have insurance or enough money to cover your damages, your claim could be worth very little or nothing at all. If you're in a car accident and the other driver has no insurance, you might have to rely on your own uninsured motorist coverage to recover any compensation. If the responsible party has no insurance or assets, even if they're found legally responsible, they may not be able to pay for your damages. This is what we call a judgment-proof defendant. If they don't have the financial means to pay a judgment, your case may not be worth pursuing unless you have other sources of compensation, like your own insurance coverage, that you can pursue. If you've sustained a back injury and are pursuing an injury claim, these 5 keys I've discussed in this video are absolutely crucial to the success of your case. But simply knowing these 5 keys will obviously not guarantee you success in your case. To give you the best chance of success in your back injury case, you need to know how you can maximize the value of your back injury claim. And that's why I would suggest you watch this video about to pop up right here, where I tell you 5 lawyer secrets that can help boost the value of your injury claim. Also, for more helpful videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. Lastly, if you've been injured in Kentucky, remember to don't wait, call Tate.